EB2-NIW USA channel. If this is your first time joining us, I am so happy that you are here. So a big welcome. We are immigration experts helping entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business, their investment, and their profession. My name is attorney Mari Ribeiro, and I am a lawyer licensed in Florida. And today we're going to be talking about what is an expert opinion letter and how imperative it is for your EB2 National Interest Waiver Petition. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it is important that you understand that I am not your attorney unless we have a written agreement that says otherwise. So everything that we're going to be talking about today is going to be strictly for informational purposes only, and it should not be considered as legal advice. Now, the reason for this is because every situation is unique. You are unique, your profession is unique, and your goals are unique. So if you want some information that is tailored to your specific needs, I am leaving our email here so that you can contact us, and we will be more than happy to give you personalized legal advice on a one-to-one consultation. And the cool thing is that our consultations and our evaluations initially are free. So that is an amazing thing where we can help you see if an EB2 National Interest Waiver is a great petition for you. So let's get into today's video about the expert opinion letter and how important it is to have one for your EB2 National Interest Waiver petition. So let's just rewind a little bit and have a reminder of what is an EB2 National Interest Waiver. Well, this is a visa for professionals, entrepreneurs, and investors to live and work in the United States without having to rely on a U.S. sponsor or a job offer from a United States company. So in another video, we talked about the documentations that are going to be required for your EB2 National Interest Waiver, which includes things like your educational degrees, proof of incremental increases in your salary, maybe memberships that you've had in other organizations, and things of the like that are going to be helpful in supporting your petition. Now, we did mention what is the expert opinion letter, and in this video, we're actually going to be diving into more detail about the expert opinion letter. So now, what is an expert opinion letter? This is not the same thing as an academic evaluation, which in fact, we went into more detail in another video. So if you haven't seen that one, I invite you to check that out. But here we are actually talking about the National Interest Waiver for the EB2 is specifically claiming that you as a professional have an exceptional ability and that the work that you are doing is so important that it's going to impact the United States on a national level. And because of this, you are actually asking the U.S. government to waive the requirement that you have a job offer from a U.S. employer or that you have a U.S. company sponsoring your petition. So here is where the expert opinion letter is going to be really important. This is a letter that's going to be written by a distinguished expert who has a favorable opinion about your credentials and the importance of the work that you're setting out to do in the United States. So this is going to support the fact that one, your work is of substantial merit, which is a requirement of the EB2 National Interest Waiver, and it is important to the entire country. The second thing is that you are well positioned to actually do the work and have success through your exceptional ability. Another requirement of the EB2 National Interest Waiver. And third is that you are actually showing that the work that you're proposing to do is of much more importance than being required to have a job offer in the United States. Again, a third requirement for the EB2 National Interest Waiver. So your expert opinion letter must include the following things. First, it's got to actually show the expert's background. Who are they and what have they done in their professional career that's actually making them qualified to write a letter on your behalf? Next, they're going to want to include a detailed description of the work that you're proposing to do. So in an in-depth description of your industry, this is something that they're going to be needing to include, including your customized approach in how you're actually going to be doing the work. And also why the work is incredibly important, not just to a certain part of the country, but to the entire country, and why you will make a significant difference. Next, the letter is also going to need to detail about your credentials and why you are qualified to take on this work in particular. So it will also need to include your professional plan and addressing the work that you have set out to do, and also make sure you're highlighting the benefit to the United States who is going to get from your work. Now, it's not enough that these opinions come from your collaborators or your supervisors, because remember, they want to see that your work has made a significant impact in your field as a whole. So it's important to prove that the petitioner, you, have earned the reputation in your field and thus are known for your accomplishment. So immigration officers want to see opinion letters that come from known experts and professionals recognized in their field as well. So it's important that they have strongly worded documents in their letter and also provide specific insight into your achievements within your field. The immigration officer reviewing your petition gives a lot of weight to these letters, and it can even determine the outcome of your EB2 national interest waiver case. As you can see, your expert opinion letter carries a lot of weight, absolutely important and vital to the success of your petition. And so you want to be very selective and very intentional with who is going to be writing your expert opinion letter. This is why I think it's so important for you to email us so that we can help you find the right expert to draft your expert opinion letter. I hope you found this information helpful, and I am looking forward to hearing from you and to seeing you on the next video.